I've got a little soldering iron here, with a sharp tip on it. And what I'm gonna do is get me some of these little pots that I've got ready to get them ready to put dirt in the greenhouse. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's heating up. It's heating up. I'll lay that right there and let that heat up. And I'll take my knife right quick. And I will get rid of some paper on these cans. I guess you can call them cans or whatever you want to call them. Watch me, yeah. Watch me knock them in the swimming pool. In the fish pond, or whatever you want to call it. Just rip that off and put it in one there. Well, that's, I need a can. Yeah, that's what we'll do with it. Oh well. I don't like cutting toward myself like that. I cannot hold on to nothing today for some reason. Probably be better. Let's see if we can't get organized here. I won't even need that knife, I don't guess. Let's see if I do this right. If I do it right, I won't even need the knife. There's always a hard way to do something in an easy way. Find the easy way. It'll save you a lot of time. A hard way and an easy way. Now the easy way always is not the best way. But it ain't always the worst way either. In this case, it's going to be the best way. And the reason I say that is because that's the way I'm going to do it. And I'll tell you something else. I'm trying to get too fast at this. So if you take your time, slow down, and you'll find out that a lot of times you're going slower, but the procedure is actually going faster. I don't know why I'm showing this, because I'll cut most of this out, I guess, but these is Skull can, or not Skull, but Stoker. I've been chewing too much tobacco, it looks like. Of course, this is a year's worth, I think. But I was throwing them away. Lord, I throwed them away for a while, years or two. And I got to sitting there one day and I thought, you know, them would make fine little pots to start plants in. And, ooh, she's a smoking, baby. I can smell it. That's what I done the last time. I thought, well, I'll get me a drill and put it on my little drill, and I'll sit there and drill me some holes through the little pots. And then I snapped out of it. I said, I snapped out of it. Then what I do is take this right here. I hope it gets hot. It's on a long extension cord, and I just run a hole in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, is it? Look at there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if that's set on. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 3 is enough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hold up just a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. That's about 45 times faster than a drill. And you can see it smoking there, I guess. Now I'm going to go out after a while and I'm going to fill these up. And I've done got several out there in the greenhouse I done last year this way. I'm going to fill them up with some potting soil, and then I'm going to plant something in them. I don't know what the plan. I know I'm going to put some tomatoes, but I've got 5 or 6 trays out there waiting on me that's already got this year's potting soil in it. You've got to drain this stuff, but if you'll stay up a little off the bottom, half inch, an inch or so, it'll hold a little water at the bottom. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how many we got. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 pots. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, I'll let this cool. I'll lay that right there. Let it cool. And I'll go ahead and take these out to the greenhouse. I've got some dirt left here. And I'll just, I'll just dump it. How's that? Just dump it like that. It ain't complicated. We just make it that way sometimes. We just throw some dirt in there just like that. Push it down a little. Don't want to pack it tight, but we want to keep some, a little buoyancy to it. Reminds me of my greenhouse days, when I had a greenhouse down here. Oh. I don't know if that's gonna fill that up. It'll surprise me if it does. It'll actually surprise me if it don't. This stuff right here, I think my wife said I had her to pick 2 bags of this potting soil up. I think she said like $15. $15. My goodness. For 2 little bags. Maybe people need to go into the mulch or the dirt business. What do you think? Now, I'm just joking, people. Don't dive in. No, it would be a good thing to do. If you knowed how to do it. If you had the equipment to turn them big piles of mulch, that's the key. You think it's easy, and it is if you got the equipment to do stuff with, but if you ain't, you work yourself to death on a lot of things. I'm going to have to reskin this greenhouse. This plastic's flying all to pieces on me. So it's about time to reskin it. I'm going to try to get by this year. Maybe do it this fall sometime. I don't know how many years it's been on here, but a while. I'd say 6. Now there's that old sweat starting to drip. You know, tell you something, I believe that's going to fill them up. Yes, sir. Ain't that lovely? No, it ain't either. It's going to fill this one up. It's going to like 3. I'm going to like 3. And I'll fill the rest of them up when I get my other bag in here. Now this is needing a little spray of water. I'll do that later, after a while maybe. That's 20 more pots. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays. And each one of those trays, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 48, 30. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. That's 6 dozen. What is 6 dozen? 72? 48. Yeah, 72. So 72 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 29, and there's more laying here. There's more laying here. Little pots. Lord, I've got stuff thrown everywhere. I've got to clean this thing out. It's a mess. But anyway, it is what it is. I started cleaning this out. I've got to pull all the stuff out of my pots and get them situated. You can see the trays that I've got there. Yeah, I've got them. 6 of them through there. And then them pots. And I've got a split right there in the ceiling. Split right there. Of course, that's over that way on the left side of the things. It'll be all right. Not going to heat this no one. All right, that'll be it.